Hi, and welcome back to the construction zone. Today we're going to work on the next five letters of our lowercase letter formation. So let's wake our hands up and get ready to write. Press your palms together, make fists, stretch out your fingers. It's important each time that you're doing writing, drawing, coloring, to give your hands a little bit of time to wake up. Okay, let's get into it. So today we're going to use the chalkboard. So you'll need a little chalkboard, some chalk. We're going to use the wet cotton ball or moist, and a tissue or a washcloth, something that you can dry it. So here we go. Let's start with the letter R. We're going to do the lowercase r. So we have the left, the right, and the middle. Also from the top to the bottom, right about here is the middle. So we're going to start in the middle to make our lowercase letters today. So with the letter R, we're going to start in the middle, make a little line down, boop. Come right back up on the same line, make a little curve, just like that. Now we're going to erase it. Little line down, touch the baseline, right back up on the same line and a little curve. Little line down, come up and over. That's another way I like to say it. Now we're going to do the letter M. So again, we're going to start in the middle. Little line down, just like with the R, come right back up on that same line and all the way over like a rainbow. The letter N. Little line down, come up and make a rainbow. There you have it. Little line down, come up and make a rainbow. Now let's do the letter M. We'll scoot over a little bit to give us plenty of room. Little line down, come right back up. And you're going to curve over like you're making a mountain. M. There's the letter M. Little line down, come up and over like a mountain. Now let's erase. Little line down, come up and over like a mountain. It's important when you're forming the letters, once you've practiced several times with your eyes open, to practice forming the letter again with your eyes closed. Now we're going to do the letter H. The letter H is a tall letter, so we're going to start at the top left and make a tall line down. Then we're going to come right back up to the halfway point and curve over to make a chair. Doesn't that look like a chair? That looks like it'd be a fun chair to sit in. Here we go. Let's use our moist cotton ball. Tall line down, come up and make a chair. There you have it. Tall line down, come up and make a chair. Okay, our last letter for today is going to be the letter B as in boy. So we get to make another tall line, top to the bottom, come up and curve around to the right. B. Very nice. Okay, let's erase. Top to the bottom, come up and around. Top to the bottom, come up and around. This time we come up and around to the right. With the letter D, we make it a little bit differently. The letter B starts on the left and curves to the right. Thank you very much for coming to the construction zone today. Hope you have a great time.